In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give TikTok Ads Manager access. Navigating the realm of TikTok advertising can seem daunting at first, but fear not. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating the TikTok Ads platform like a seasoned pro, ready to grant access to your team members in just a few simple steps. Remember, collaboration is key in the dynamic world of digital marketing, and enabling your team to work within TikTok's Ads Manager is a pivotal step. First things first, let's dive into the platform. Head over to TikTok Ads by typing ads.tiktok.com into your browser. It's where all the magic begins. Here you'll be greeted by the homepage of TikTok's advertising platform, a gateway to unlocking the potential of your marketing campaigns. Upon arrival, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it. This is your first step towards digital collaboration. You'll then be prompted to enter your email and password. This is your key to accessing your TikTok Ads account, so make sure you have these details handy. After you've correctly entered your information, hit the login button once more to proceed. Now you might encounter a little test to prove you're not a robot, courtesy of CAPTCHA. Complete the verification, click confirm, and you're almost there. Next, you'll need to type in a code sent to your email. This additional security measure ensures that only authorized users gain access to the account, safeguarding your campaigns and data. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout. The next step involves navigating to the left panel of the screen. Here, you're looking for the Business Center. This is where you'll manage access permissions and oversee your team's roles within the platform. Clicking on Business Center will bring you to a new page. Here, select your ad account. This action navigates you to the heart of your advertising operations, setting the stage for team collaboration. Once inside your selected ad account, look for the Members tab. This is where you'll manage who has access to your account and what they can do within it. By clicking on Members, you venture into the realm of team management, a crucial aspect of any advertising campaign's success. Next up, click on Invite Member. This opens up the possibility to extend access to new team members, broadening the horizons of your collaborative efforts. At this juncture, you'll be prompted to type in the email address of the individual you wish to invite. Ensure you enter the correct email to avoid any hiccups in this seamless process. Following the email entry, you'll be tasked with choosing the access level for the new member. This step is paramount as it determines the extent of control and visibility the new member will have within your TikTok Ads Manager. Choose wisely based on their role and responsibilities within your team. After assigning the access level, proceed by clicking Next. You're now on the brink of expanding your team's capabilities. The subsequent step involves choosing the specific role you want to assign to your new team member. Each role comes with its set of permissions, so consider what tasks they need to perform and select accordingly. Finally, after selecting their role, click on Confirm to finalize the invitation process. Congratulations! You've just expanded your team's presence within TikTok's dynamic advertising ecosystem. By following these straightforward steps, you've equipped your team with the tools they need for collaborative success. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to enhance your experience. Always double check the email addresses and roles you assign to avoid any confusion. And remember, effective collaboration within TikTok Ads Manager can significantly amplify your campaign's impact. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. You're now equipped to grant access and roles within TikTok's Ads Manager, streamlining your workflow and optimizing your advertising efforts. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to navigate the digital marketing landscape with ease. Happy advertising!